There's this peace of mind that comes with making your own swallow from scratch, because if you know what really goes into this raw food we buy from the market, especially the grounded one, due to the high profit the sellers want to make, they usually add so many unwanted things which are not healthy for the body. That's why today I'm going to take you through the process of making this very healthy and beautiful yam flour from scratch. All you need is just your yam. Let's get started. So the first thing you are going to do now is to peel your yam. Okay, so peel your yam carefully, then wash it thoroughly to remove any sand or any dirt from it. So after peeling and washing, the next thing you want to do now is to cut your yam. Cut this yam into thin rounds. The thinner the slices, the faster they will dry. So once you are done with the cutting, the next thing you want to do now is to go in with some reasonable amount of water, the one that will cover it up. Once done, cover the yam up for a day so that fermentation can take place. This is the yam the next morning, looking all fermented. Now use your sieve or your drainer, anything, to pack out the yam from the water of which it was soaked in. Get it ready for the next step of the yam processing. Do you know it is best to use good and matured yam for the making of this? Most ones being sold in the market are made out of yam peel or already spoiled yam. Anything worth doing is worth doing well. So after the yams has been well strained, the next thing to do now is to dry the yam. So carefully spread the yam slices on a dry rack or a clean surface under direct sunlight. Leave them to dry completely for about 3 to 5 days, depending on the weather. If you have a food dehydrator or an oven, you can as well dry them in it. Using the dehydrator or the oven will help to give you a faster result. So this is the yam slices, very dry. To know if the yams are dry, they should be hard and crisp when you hold them. Okay, so but now there's still another process to go. I always mix my yam flour with cassava flour. This will help to increase the quantity, and also it will make it more sticky and helps to reduce the dark color. I gave that a good mix. Once ready, transfer into a powerful blender and blend it. Or if you know you don't have a strong blender, then it is better you make use of a commercial blending machine or grinding mill and blend it into a smooth powder. Okay, once blended, the next thing to do now is to sieve it out. To remove any lumps, I have to take it small quantity at a time and sieve out everything thoroughly. Okay, the reason why you need to make your own yam flour from home is simple and easy. It has so many advantages, among which are: 1, it is very hygienic. You know the process of which it went through. Most of those yams flour, they usually contain dirt, but how will you know when it has been turned into powder? And it's not something that you can wash before cooking. Okay, so another reason why you should make your own yam flour at home is because you have the assurance that all you are making is purely yam, or if you are making it with cassava flour, it's purely yam and cassava. The reason why you should make your own yam flour too is because it is very affordable and cheaper compared to when you buy it in the market. Now our yam flour is ready. Pour that in an airtight container and then keep it. It can last as long as 6 months at home. It doesn't spoil on time. It is used in making of Amala, a very popular and common food in Nigeria, especially among the Yorubas. Very lovely people, if you have watched these videos till this time, thank you very much. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you have not subscribed, kindly do, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any beautiful and interesting videos, as new videos will be dropping every week. So until next week when I come again with another beautiful and interesting video, God bless you and bye.